the relationship between addition and subtraction. The relationship between addition and subtraction. Are you all ready? Okay. Let us start with small numbers. It is very easy for you. 10 minus 5. 10 minus 5. What is the answer of 10 minus 5? Very easy, you know, 5. Okay. Now, I am going to add two numbers. Which are the numbers, you know? 5 plus 5. What is the answer? 5 plus 5. 5 plus 5, what is the answer? 10. You know. So, you look at the question. Two questions you look. Here 10. Here 5 plus 5. Adding the two small numbers will get the big number. Adding the two small numbers. Here the two small numbers are 5 and 5. You will get the answer as big number. One more example let us do. 8 minus 3. What is the answer of 8 minus 3? 8 minus 3, 5. Which are the numbers to be added now? The small numbers. Which are the small two numbers? 3 and 5. 3 plus 5. What is the answer of 3 plus 5 or 5 plus 3? 8. See? When you add the small two numbers, you will get the big number. This you can apply when you are doing a subtraction question also. For example, 3425 minus 1233. Okay? Let us write this. How? Downwards. 3425 minus 1233. 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3, 2. 2 minus 3, we cannot do. Borrow from the 400s. Make it as 3. 12 minus 3, 9. Okay, very good. 12 minus 3, 9. Here we have 3 minus 2. What is the answer of 3 minus 2? 1. 3 minus 1, 2. Okay. So, we learned that when you add the small two numbers, we will get the big number, isn't it? Let us add and try. Which are the small numbers here? This is 1000, this is 2000, this is 3000. So, which are the two small numbers? These two are the small numbers. Okay. So, let us write 1233 plus 2192. Okay. 3 plus 2. What is the answer of 3 plus 2? 5. 9 plus 3. 9 plus 3, 12. 1 carried over. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. 1 plus 2, 3. See, look at the answer and the question. 3425. 3425. Understood? So, if you are doing subtraction, when you get the answer, if you have time, we can add these two small numbers and check your subtraction is correct or not. Understood? When you add the two small numbers in subtraction, you will get the big number. How we can check your subtraction? How you can check your subtraction? This is the first number. This is the answer we got. This is the question. Is it correct? Okay. Next question. 7589 minus 4344. Okay. Write it downwards. 7589 minus 4344. Now we have to subtract 9 minus 4, 5. 8 minus 4, 4. 5 minus 3, 2. 7 minus 4, 3. Okay children, how we will check the subtraction? First we have to write this number. This is a small number. So 4344. Then we have to put the symbol plus. We have to put the symbol plus and the answer we got. What is the answer we got? 3245. Okay. Then add these two. 4 plus 5, 9. 4 plus 4, 8. 3 plus 2, 5. 4 plus 3, 7. Okay. So the answer is, just look, 7,589. 7,589. That means your subtraction is correct. This is the way we can check our subtraction. Children, now we are going to learn the addition and subtraction together. Addition and subtraction together. Okay. For that, just let me show. 3,124 plus 1,233 minus 1,820. You have a question like this. You have a question like this. Here, 3 numbers are given here. 2 numbers to be added and 1 number to be subtracted. In such cases, what you have to do? First, you have to add these 2 numbers. That is 3,124 plus 1,233. Add these 2 numbers. 3 plus 4, 7. 2 plus 3, 5. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. What is the answer you got? 4,357. And then we have to subtract this number from here. 4,357 minus 1,820. Okay? 7 minus 0. 7 minus 0. 7. 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2. 3. 3 minus 8. 3 is small, so we cannot do subtraction. Borrow from here, make it as 13. Here it will come as 3. 13 minus 8. 13 minus 8. 8 finger. Before number of 13 is 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. What is the answer? 5. 3 minus 1, 2. So what is the answer we are getting? 2,537. Do you understand? Okay. Here we have 4 numbers. 1,280 minus 1,120 plus 3,435 minus 2,180. 4 numbers are given there, isn't it? So this is plus, minus, plus, minus. So what you have to do, you know? You have to add these 2 numbers. These 2 numbers. Plus, plus. Okay? So 1,280 plus 3,435. What is the answer we are getting? 5 plus 0, 5. 8 plus 3, 11. Here again carry over. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 4, 7. 1 plus 3, 4. Okay, this is the answer. When we add these 2 numbers, we are getting. And here we are having 1,120. Here 2,180. Here what we have to do now? We have to add these 2 numbers also. We have to add these 2 numbers also. Both are having the minus symbol. So we have to add those 2. Which are the numbers? 1,120. 2,180. Here what is the symbol you have to put? This is 1,120. This is 2,180. Both are having the minus symbol. So we will add first these two numbers. We will add these two numbers. 0 plus 0, 0. 8 plus 2, 10, 0 here. 1 carried over. 1 plus 2, 3. 2 plus 1, 3. So here we are getting the answer as 3,300. Here we got 4,715. Is it over? No, we didn't do the subtraction, isn't it? We have added these two sets only. Here this one and this one we added, and this one and this one also we added. Now what you have to subtract, you know? Small number from the big number. So 4,715 minus 3,300. Okay? 5 minus 0, 5. 1 minus 0, 1. 7 minus 3, 4. 4 minus 3, 1. So, the answer we are getting is 1,415. Understood? Okay, children, let us do one more question. Look, here also we have 4 numbers. 1,845 plus 2,230 minus 1,441 minus 1,800. Okay? So, first what we have to do? Let us add first these two numbers. 1,845 plus 2,230. We have to add these two numbers. 5 plus 0, 5. 4 plus 3, 7. 8 plus 2, 10. 0 here. 1 carried over. 1 plus 1, 2 plus 2, 4. So, we are getting 4,075 as the answer. Only this part. And again, what about this part? We can add these two numbers again first. Then we can subtract. Otherwise, we have to do the subtraction 2 times. So, first let us do the addition of these two numbers. 1,441 plus 1,800. Okay? 0 plus 1, 1. 0 plus 4, 4. 8 plus 4, 12. 2 here. 1 carried over. 1 plus 1, 2 plus 1, 3. So, the answer is 3,241. Here we get 3,241. Here we get 4,075. And the middle symbol is we have subtract, isn't it? So, we have to write 4,075 minus 3,241. Okay? 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1, 4. 7 minus 4, 3. 0 minus 2, can you do? No. Borrow from 4,000. Make it as 3,000. Here give it 1,000 there. Now it is 10. 10 minus 2 in 8. Now 3 minus 3, 0. So we are getting 834 as the answer. Understood, no? Okay, children, let us do the exercise given in the textbook also. Okay? And be ready for the live class. Thank you.